Hi everyone, today's topic is near and dear to my heart, as I switch phones so many times that the question of how to back up my Android phone has become a personal pain point for me. I am Mikey from Electronic Team and today I will tell you how to do it if you have a Mac. But before I start, watch this video until the end, because there will be a discount coupon from the developers. I've been using Apple devices from the past few years. Before that, I only had Windows and Android. At first, I bought a MacBook, then an iPhone. And guess what?
Mac doesn't support Android file transfer natively. I can't just back up Android to Mac, I need some kind of solution for that. The first option was to back up to Google One via a Google account. But with only 15 GB of cloud storage, it wasn't enough for my 128 GB Android phone. I wanted a way to download all my files to my computer, just like I used to do with a cable.
That's where MacDroid comes in.
MacDroid is a macOS app that lets you connect your Android devices to transfer files. It supports both wired and wireless connections and has no limit on the number of devices you can connect. This includes any Android smartphones or VR headsets like the Meta Quest, as well as other devices that support MTP data transfer, such as some cameras and audio players.
So let's show you how to back up your Android phone to Mac using MacDroid.
Download the app from the App Store or official website. Run it. You will see 3 connection options: Wi-Fi, ADB, or MTP. The most simple way is MTP. Take your phone and connect it to your Mac using the official cable. You may see a pop-up message on your phone asking you to choose an MTP or file transfer option, depending on your device model and Android version, and that's it. Your device will be connected to your Mac. You can see it in Finder and manage files just like you would do with any other folder in your system. Now let's get to the actual file backup. I'm copying the most important data from the Download, Documents, and DCIM folders. This includes photos, pictures, and videos. You can also copy other folders that you'll need on your next phone. MacDroid offers lots of other advantages and benefits. For instance, it doesn't rely on a separate file transfer window. Instead, it mounts your Android device as a regular drive into Finder, giving you the same functionality as any other macOS folder. You can connect an unlimited number of devices and exchange files between them. This means you don't need to perform a common Android backup to Mac. You can simply connect both your old and new devices to your system and transfer files directly, without having to download them to your computer first. This is also handy if you need to edit files on your Android device. You can do so directly from your Mac.
And if you have watched this video all the way to this point, I have good news for you. In the description below this video, you will find a discount coupon from the app developers. So head on over and download MacDroid for your Mac. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.